everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Pluto TV account. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Launch open a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box and type in pluto.tv and search. Also make sure to log into your Pluto TV account by entering your email and password. After you are signed in, mouse over to the human icon at the top right hand corner and click on Manage Account. On the bottom left hand corner, click the Update Email button. Now enter the new email address you would like to change for your account and confirm the email address by retyping it again in the next field. And finally click on Update Email. Soon after you do that, your email has now been updated. That's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.